In WP Fluent Form, an address input field can be used to collect a person's full address without having to create or manage multiple text box fields. To add an address field to your form, drag and drop the field from the available input fields. Hover on the address input field and click on the Edit button to customize it. Edit element level according to how you want it to be shown in the form. Define admin field level to identify the input field to the admins if necessary. From the address field section, customize the 6 data input fields. Check on or off any field according to your need. Click on the drop-down button besides these fields and determine the input field level, default value, placeholder, and requirement option. In advanced options, element class can be used to style the element. Define a name attribute if needed. Define if there are any conditions to be fulfilled for this input field. Learn more about conditional logics in the link given in descriptions.